Hello there, welcome back. Got another 2 brews tonight, today, 7:38 tonight. So the first one is Utopian British Lager, Utopian Brewing Ltd. And it's just called British Lager. And the other one is, what is that called? Utopian Brewing again. Kearney Specialny Black Lager. So we'll do that one second, I think. I've never had a black lager before. So the first one, Utopian British Lager. What does it say about it? Our signature premium British lager is influenced by the Bavarian Helles style. Helles, is that Greek? Bavarian, that's Germany. But just like all Utopian beers, it has been brewed solely with the finest British-grown malted barley and hops. A slow, low-temperature fermentation followed by a long cold conditioning gives this lager a crisp, clean finish, whilst allowing all the wonderful flavours from the malt and hops to fully develop and shine. Light golden in colour, with depth of flavour and impeccable balance, this is lager at its finest. Okay, it's been in the fridge for half an hour, I think. Let's see how it goes. Nice can. Let's see how it pours. Very nicely. I'm getting a bit foam there. Nice bit of foam. Plenty of bubbles, big and small, foamy, creamy. It's dissipating quite fast. Is that a haze there? Or just the way I'm looking at it through the light? No, it's clear. Anyway, straight into... Oh, that's lovely, that. Hoppy, citrusy. We'll come to the description in a moment. Now for a taste. Oh my goodness, that is special. That's lovely. That is very nice indeed. Let's have a wee look to see what they say here. Right, I've got my craftbeer.com tasting sheet. So first, colour. What colour is that? Is that a 6, maybe? Or that? I don't know if that's accurate, but if my printer's accurate or not. So it's probably a gold, yeah, 5 to 6. Clarity, brilliant, clear. It's clear. It's not brilliantly clear, it's just clear. Colour of foam head retention texture, it's none. It's gone already. The texture of the foam is thin. Carbonation, yes, slight carbonation there. It's medium, I'll say. The aroma for the hops, let's see. I'm getting a wee citrusy hit there, and maybe I'm getting a wee bit floral, herbal maybe. Floral. The malt, it's a bit grainy. Esters, apple, apricot, banana. I'm getting a bit maybe. We'll say peach. Phenol. Clove, cinnamon, vanilla, smoky. Well, I'm not getting cloves, I'm not getting cinnamon. Vanilla, maybe. Flavour and aftertaste. This is my favourite part. The alcohol is mild. It's not harsh or hot. Hop flavour, yeah, I'm getting. It's not that hoppy. I'm getting a bit. It's hard to tell. It's always citrus. I think my tongue, my taste buds are shot. Hot bitterness, yeah, it's restrained. There's not much bitterness there at all. Malt. It's probably biscuit. Astringency, low astringency. The body is soft. Palate carbonation. There is partially sparkling. Pétillant. The length finish. It's got quite a long finish actually, it's lovely. More than 60 seconds, I'm going to say, long. This is a bit I always struggle with. Oxidative, aged qualities. Almond, blackcurrant, paprika, or honey, honey maybe. It's hard to say. Getting honey. Balance and drinkability, desirable. Style, appropriate, yeah, it's a lager. All in all, Utopian Premium British Lager, 4.7%. It's very nice. You could drink that for hours. Right, and on to the next one.